Hello everyone, this is Treeline1 here with another video. Today I'm just playing by myself, but I will be teaching you guys how to make an automated sugarcane farm. Automated harvesting, that is. So first what you want to do is have these what are they called, materials. So a piston, water, redstone repeater, some sort of building material. For this I'm just using stone, redstone torch, and sugar canes. So first off, what you want to do is make a 9 length of your building material. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Then do this. Take it back down. Oop. Oh no, sorry, just take this. Dig out in here, dig out a layer just here where the water will go. So if we do that, like that, then put pistons all along here. Okay, so you've done that. Now, blocks behind it here. Redstone repeaters connecting to them all. Another block. Redstone. Then just have a redstone going down here. Take it out 3, put a block here, 1 there, redstone here, redstone there, do that, like that, like that. Put that down to 4 notches. Then, so this is a clock, so it'll infinitely make these pistons go back and forth. Then you want to add your sugar cane. Like that, and then, well, that's it. Pretty simple. So don't need this one. Put redstone torch there. Oops, what? Ah, redstone repeater on the wrong way. Take that off there. There we go. So I'll just go up here, show you the design. Let me just turn that down. Sound. So yep, had a good look at it. So now, when the sugarcane grows, the pistons will push it off, and bye bye sugarcane gets collected up here. You can just come back. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Rate, subscribe, comment. Really helps. And have a nice day.